Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Think Good channel. And today, we got something really exciting to talk about. The groundbreaking M.2 SSD AIO liquid cooler. And we got the T4 SIREN GD120S in the house. Without further ado, let's get started. So whether you're a hardcore gamer, content creator, or just someone who is looking to enhance their system performance, the GD120S brings a new level of cooling efficiency for your SSD. Well, that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech information, and ring the notification bell for more updates. And of course, drop any questions and thoughts in the comments below. And until next time, happy cooling, happy gaming.